afternoon, wonderful people. My name is Kirk Francois, and you're tuned into Kirk Knows PV, Real Estate and Lifestyle, where I help Canadians and Americans buy, sell, and live better in Puerto Vallarta. Today, we're in the beautiful romantic zone on another wonderful day in paradise. We're gonna take a property tour here at Three Vistas, which is Three Views. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath penthouse unit measuring 108 square meters, which is roughly 1,162 square feet. The asking price is $649,900 USD. And let me tell you, sitting here at the rooftop, just outside the gym, the views are incredible. Hence the name Three Vistas, Three Views. Not only do you get ocean views, but you also get mountain views, especially in the summertime when we're in full rainy season. The mountains are completely lush green, absolutely incredible. And then you also get city views as well. So this is a fantastic penthouse unit, and we're gonna go and take a look so you can see it for yourself. You ready? Let's go. As we exit the elevator, welcome to Penthouse 13 at Three Vistas. As you can see, a lot of natural light. This penthouse, as we walk in, we're greeted to the living room and dining room area. Now, right away, what is very captivating about this is the views. So we're looking at the mountain range over here. I already have the windows, doors open, so floor to ceiling windows, doors that slide all the way open, that gives a natural flow from indoor, outdoor. You got this very large terrace that wraps around. And the cool thing about this, not only do you have ocean views, mountain views, city views, but over here, that's the river Quale. So during the summer months when we're in rainy season, the river is full. You got a nice flowing river, like the sounds from that mixed with the views of the ocean and city is unbeatable. Now, for those that like to get around the city, another great feature about living in this area, right over here is Libramiento. This is the road that will take you through the tunnel, and you get back, say, like if you want to get back to the airport, you don't have to go through the city traffic. So it's a lot quicker, a lot easier to get around. All right, so let's take a look over here with this sliding pocket door. You got your laundry facility, laundry room. And as you can tell by the stickers, everything here is brand new, hasn't been lived in, hasn't been used, so you'll be the first. Over here is your kitchen, equipped with your bar seating. Now, another feature that stands out that I don't typically see is that the countertop is made out of solid Perota wood, as well as all the cabinets. So very nice, unique design. It comes with all the appliances that you see. You got your refrigerator, you got a dishwasher, gas oven and stove, and a deep sink. And it looks like, I'll double check, this might have a filter already installed, hence why you have this fountain here. So filtered water, which is fantastic. You don't have to buy those 20-liter jugs. You can drink straight from the tap. All right, just down here is this is a half bath. And over here is the secondary bedroom or guest bedroom, which is oriented towards mountain views on both You got 2 accesses. Let's go over here so you can see the bed itself. So, queen size bed with 2 floating nightstands. And lots of closet space. Well, sufficient closet space. But these views are amazing. Also equipped with a mini split AC, but right now, with the windows open and the breeze coming through, you wouldn't need that. It also comes with this ceiling fan as well. Another thing to mention, there are mosquito nets, so that's great. So you can just keep the windows open without having to worry about any bugs getting in. And let's take a look now at the primary. King size bed. That's a complete bed set. Again, they kept the theme with the floating nightstands. And this is very nice built-in cabinetry. This, yep, so Perota wood. So hardwood, resistance against termites. The theme throughout this penthouse unit. And then of course, you have your ensuite over here. So dual vanity. And then of course you got your shower with the niche for your toiletries. All right. One thing I forgot to shoot or show you was the ensuite in the secondary bedroom. Here, we'll just open that up so you can see. So both bedrooms have an ensuite, and this is the ensuite for the guest bedroom. Now let's head to the rooftop where we can see the pool and the gym. Now, let's take a look at the amenities on the rooftop. Now, being on the penthouse, it's just the corner, that's just around the corner from you. So right over here, to my left is the infinity pool. We'll take a deeper look into that shortly. Just over here, I wanted to show you the bathrooms. I got 2, one on your left and to the right. Very nicely positioned, decorated, Perota wood, very nice finishes. And then you have your outdoor shower here as well. Over here is the terrace. Now, I know you can't feel this, but let me tell you, the breeze is incredible. And you get to experience this. Okay, so Three Vistas. You got ocean views, you got the mountain views all the way around. And as well as your city views. So this street, Basilio Badillo, very popular street here in the romantic zone. If you take this straight down, you'll be in the heart of the romantic zone, all the restaurants, the bars, the cafes, the art galleries, and so forth. So it's a straight shot down this street, and exactly going straight along this street, you will get to the beach as well. But look at this. And in the summertime, these mountain views become even more stunning. As the rainy season hits, it becomes like a rainforest. All right, so you got your lounge chairs, you got a seated area that is shaded, as well as your bar. Now let's take a look at the infinity pool. Now, the really cool thing about this is that right over here, you have a waterfall, but then you get to see the mountains. And then if you want, they've included a couple of benches. So you can just sit here and relax and take in the scenery. Watch your sunsets. You can watch the sunrise over the mountains and then come back in the evening and catch the sunsets. Absolutely gorgeous. And one set of flight of stairs. There's another upper deck. Where there is a one-person hammock. And yeah, this is it. This is your views. And for those that are active and want to work out, you got a cozy little gym, which has windows that open up. You got 360 views all the way around. So, not bad. You get to work out in paradise with this as your in the forefront and your backdrop. Now, they got a couple of machines. There are gonna be additional machines set up. And for those that do yoga, close all the windows and doors. You can get a hot yoga session as well. Now that concludes our tour today here at Three Vistas. As a quick recap, this is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath penthouse condo measuring 108 square meters, which is 1,164 square feet. The asking price is $649,900 USD. And as you saw, this is an absolutely incredible unit, penthouse. You have a beautiful terrace where you have wonderful views from different aspects of the bay, as well as it's well furnished, it's brand new, never lived in. So if you're a person who wants to live here part-time, full-time, or a combination of the two, or if you're an investor that wants a property that's in the romantic zone where you're close to everything, but not in the mix where you are experiencing all the night traffic, this is definitely a wonderful option for you. So if you want to see this in person or virtually, contact me today. Details on screen. And until my next video, thank you for watching. Kirk Knows PV, Real Estate and Lifestyle. I'll see you soon.
We'll be right back.